Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. This app has been blocked for your protection MMC. So how to fix it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all, in the search box type a registry editor. Open registry editor, right click run as administrator. After opening that, first of all, select the HKey local machine and expand it. Select the software and expand it. After doing this step, find out a Microsoft and expand it. Find out a scroll down and find out a Windows. Here is a Windows and expand it. After doing this step, select the current version and expand it. After doing this test, go down and find out policies. Now here is a policies. Expand it and select a system. After doing this step, open a enable LUA. Open it and make sure that the value data set as 0 and click on OK button. Now you must restart your computer to turn off your close it, and after doing this that close the registry editor. Close it, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.